Hi, this is Corey Wilkes. Today we're going to learn how to pull a PDC report and upload that PDC report to our FilesAnyWhere account. First thing you're going to need is an internet browser. I use Internet Explorer, and when we get this up and running, we're going to go to a website called mymls.com. What this is the MLS service called MetroList for all of Denver. www.mymls.com. Hit enter, and this is a website that is only for realtors. If you're not a realtor, you'll have to log in with my own username and password. My username is 040159, and that's actually my state license ID number with the state of Colorado to be a realtor. My password is close113, CLOSE113. Click on this blue button here called Go to My MLS. When we get logged in here, we're getting charged $3 an hour. So we don't want to waste a lot of time on here. This isn't a free site. We get charged per usage, and so we want to get in, get our information, and get right back out. So right now we're being charged $3 an hour for being logged into here. And there's a couple columns here, and what you're going to do is over here on research, you're going to click on the very first button, which is PDC address search. Now what you'll see over here is this PDC, mypdc.com. On this particular page, we're getting charged $8 an hour. So again, we want to get in, get our information, and get right back out. We're going to pull a property that I own, and you can do two different types of searches. If you have a specific property, you have to put the address in twice, or you can do a range of values. So in this case, we want 9143. You could do 9140 to 9150 and see all the properties that come up between there. Alright, so next is we're going to pull up the street name, and the street is Oxford. What you don't want to use are the things like street, avenue, circle, way, terrace, because that's going to mess up your search. So you want to just keep it simple. Use the street name and click on either how many or show properties, depending on the information you're looking for. We want to show properties. What you'll see here is it's Denver County has returned one property that matches that description. You can see I'm the owner. This is the property address, and this here is called the parcel identification number. If you click on that pin, what will pull up is this is the report that we want, and this is called the PDC report. And what we want to do is right now this is a web page, and we want to turn this web page into a document that we can use over and over again. So the way to do that is we're going to turn this into a PDF document. To do that, what you'll do is you'll click over here on your print options, click on print, and what you'll need is what's called a PDF writer. If you don't have a PDF writer, there are several free PDF writers online that you can go and get and just download and get your own PDF writer. Or you can get a really expensive one like mine, like a Adobe PDF. You can see this one here. Microsoft has their own, which is called an XPF PS document writer. But I'm going to use Adobe PDF. And what this is going to do is I'm just going to hit print. And what this is going to ask me to do is it's going to ask me to save a file. So this is a digital file that we're going to create, and we're going to store it somewhere on our hard drive. So for this example, we can just use my desktop. And in my desktop, we want to go ahead and name this file. The way that we name our files is consistent with every file that we're going to store onto our FilesAnyWhere account. So how we name our files is first what the document is. And in this case, this document is a PDC report. So that's exactly what we call it, PDC. And then we put the address after that. So in this case, 9143 East Oxford Drive. We click Save, and what Adobe PDF Writer is doing right now is it's creating a PDF document, which is a digital pictorial document. And you can see it saved it right here onto my desktop, and then it's pulling up a PDF document, which we happen to call it on this particular one is a PDC report. So I know they sound similar, but they're nothing alike. So here's our report. Right now on this web page, we're still getting charged $8 an hour. So instead of getting charged $8 an hour, let's go ahead and stop that function. You would think that you might want to click on this X over here to close out the window. If you do that, we're going to get charged for the next 10 minutes. So to save us a little bit of dough, click on the backspace button and come over here and log out appropriately. And now we're not getting charged anymore for being logged into mymls.com. So here's our document. I'm not going to go over the real estate part of this document right now. Let's focus on how do we get this this document onto our FilesAnyWhere account. So first thing we're going to do is go into our internet browser and type in www.filesanywhere.com. Alright, this is FilesAnyWhere.com. This is our online hard drive. We all share this hard drive, and so it's important that we all work together on its maintenance and keeping it clean and up to date. So to log in is info access, and the password is close113, and you click login. Alright, so right away what you see here in FilesAnyWhere is you see a column here on the left and a view here on the right. So the views reflect what's highlighted up here. This is the view that it is right now. We could do a media view or multiple other different views. Okay. What we want is we want to take this document over here that's on my desktop, and we want to upload it over here into one of these files, one of these folders. And at this stage of the game, more often than not, it's a lead. And what we're going to do is on these leads, we're going to create a new folder. So to create a new folder, all you do is right click on the folder that you want it in, click new folder, and we'll call this 9143 East Oxford Drive. Now I've done this a couple times, so I'll just say this is East Oxford Drive number 3. And I'll click OK. And here's the folder. And you'll see in this view there's nothing in that folder. We want to upload this document there. So to do that, you can right click on the folder, click on upload, and it'll take you to the upload view. And there's two different ways to upload. We'll learn about this way later. For now, let's just go ahead and upload this file. You just click over here on add files. It brings up a search box to search your computer, and here it is. This is the document we want to upload. It's on our desktop, so we just double click on there. You can see that it's in queue to get uploaded, and we just click on upload, and there it is. It's sitting right there. If you wanted to open it from this position, you can double click on it, click on open, and you can do this from anywhere in the world that you have internet access. And it'll open up that document for us here in just a second. Here it is. That is pulling a PDC report and uploading that PDC report into a file on FilesAnyWhere.